Okay, guys, welcome to Module 1. In this module, our expert will be looking at setting up your Shopify account. So get ready to take some notes and let's jump right in.
Okay guys, so let's get into setting up our Shopify account. Ever wanted to create your own online store to sell products online? Shopify is a very popular software chosen by many online sellers to create their e-commerce websites. It is so popular due to being super user-friendly and very easy to interact with. Shopify allows you to create and customize your store, sell it in different channels, market it using built-in tools, and manage everything from orders, shipping, payments, and so on using a single dashboard. Now let's start creating our store. Click on the Start Free Trial at the upper right corner to enjoy the 14-day trial. Next, type in your email address, password, and your store name, then click Create Your Store. After that, you'll be asked to say something about yourself. For example, are you already selling? For now, let's answer I'm selling, just not online. Then let's choose online only. Then for the current revenue, let's choose the second one. Once okay, click Next. Fill in the information, then click Enter My Store. Once your store is created, you'll be redirected to your admin homepage. This is how it would look like. Let's do a quick tour of the admin homepage. Shopify Home shows the information about daily tasks, your store's recent activity, and the next steps you can take to build your business. Here's another example of an actual running Shopify store's admin homepage. You have your total sales analytics, your orders, payments, and chargebacks information. Back to our homepage, the next steps for our new store are adding a product, customizing our theme, and adding a domain. Now let's check out the Orders tab. After the customer places an order using any of your active sales channel, it should appear here. You can also create orders manually in your Shopify admin to record orders that you've made outside Shopify or send your customers email invoices. Then we have the Products tab. This is where you can view, update, and organize all of your products and variants. It has 4 sub-menus. Transfers is where you can track and receive your incoming inventory from suppliers. Then we have the Inventory. This is where you can track your stock level. Next, we have the Collections. This is where you can group your products to make it easier for customers to find them by category. Gift card is a special type of product. Its value can be used as a payment for future orders from your online store. Next, we go to the Customers tab. Every time a new customer places an order with your store, their name and other details are added here. Then we have the Analytics or the Overview dashboard. The Overview dashboard shows key sales, orders, and online store visitor data. You can see at a glance how your store is performing across all of your sales channel and for any date range. After the dashboard is the Report sub-menu. This is where you can check how your store performed in the last 30 days. Last, we have the Live View or the real-time activity of your store. Third from the last of our main menu is Marketing. You can create and manage marketing activities like Facebook ads and marketing automations like Google Smart Shopping campaigns here. Next, we have the Discounts tab. Offering discounts can be a powerful marketing strategy for your Shopify store. To offer discounts, you can create discount codes, set up automatic discounts, or set sale prices for individual products here. Then we have the Apps tab. You can install Shopify apps to help you build your business, integrate with external services, and add features to your Shopify home. Finally, let's talk about the sales channels. Sales channels represent the different marketplaces where you can sell your products. By connecting each sales channel to Shopify, you can keep track of your products, orders, and customers in one place. The online store sales channel is an online home for your business. You can use it to create web pages, publish a blog, and sell your products using beautiful responsive themes and a personalized domain name. At the bottom left, you should be able to find your account settings. Let's start with the general setting. The general setting allows you to view and update your store details. This includes your store name and store address, which will also appear on your invoices. Then we have the payment provider setting. This allows you to manage your store's payment providers. This is an important step toward getting paid by your customers. When a customer checks out, they can choose to pay for their order using any of the methods that you've enabled. Then we have the checkout setting. This allows you to customize your online checkout process. You can prompt your customers to create an account when they check out, set how customers can receive updates from your store, and so on. Next is the shipping setting. Manage how you ship orders to your customers using this setting. In here, you can set up rates, package sizes, shipment information, and fulfillment services. Then we have taxes. This setting allows you to manage sales tax based on your location. Next, we have the location setting. This allows you to manage the places you stock inventory, fulfill orders, and sell products. Your locations can be retail stores, warehouses, pop-ups, dropshippers, or any other places where you manage or stock inventory. Next is the notification setting. This setting allows you to manage notifications about orders, shipping, delivery, and so on. You can also set it up so you and your staff will be notified when a new order comes in. Next, we have the file setting. This allows you to upload images, videos, and documents. Then we have sales channel. This setting allows you to manage the channels you use to sell your products and services. Next, we have plan and permissions. This allows you to view plan information and manage what staff can see or do in your store. Next, we have store languages. This allows you to manage the languages your customers can view on your store. Second to the last is billing. This allows you to manage your billing information and view your invoices. And finally, the legal setting. You can use this setting to manage and set up your store's legal pages.